stay up late on my iPod all the time. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys that right now I am wearing cornrows and box braids that I do myself. Been doing them myself since very late 80s. I think 85 or 86 is when I first started doing it. Then I got real good at it by the mid 90s, and throughout the 90s I wore my hair in box braids. Today I decided to try to cornrow the hairline. One thing about these hairstyles is that the hairline is everything. If the hairline's not right, then the whole style is stupid. And my hairline is a little bit on the thin side, so I can't just wear it any old kind of way. I put these little cuffs in it, which I need to buy some more or find some more. Also, the big thing is that my braids are very, very long. Stay tuned. I'm going to stand on a chair and I'm going to show you just how long they are. And I have been doing this for years. Okay, but in the beginning I ruined my hair because I was so lazy about taking them out that when I finally decided to be more diligent about it, my hair was broken and messed up in a lot of places. So it's much better now. It's healed, it's fine. But anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys exactly how long they are. Okay guys, I'm about to show you how long I braid my hair. Luckily for me, it is popular. When I first started doing it, there was no internet. Nobody was doing this. I didn't know anyone who did it. I think maybe one person that I actually saw. There was a British singer that had long blonde braids to the floor. So I didn't get my cue from that. I got it from Lisa Bonet back in the day. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys. And yes, it was a lot of work. It always is. It took me 2 days to do it. Okay, this is my braid work. And this is all of it to the front. Okay, hope you guys can see that. It looks like I'm standing way too close, but this is it. Okay, they're past my knees. They're 65 inches as long as Nicki Minaj's hair. And like I said, I hope you guys can really see it because I'm really like far away. Okay, now, one thing I can tell you about these braids. I have been a very popular human being since the very first day that I did them. I have taken over 500 pictures in my life with tourists. I have been in situations where people have taken pictures of me from afar, and then they caught up with me later on in some kind of way and showed me the pictures that they took. So, floor length braids, whether you love them, whether you hate them, there are a lot of people, white, black, whatever, that love them. Not that they're wearing them, they just love to see them. Okay? I have been called everything from a work of art to Lady Godiva to whatever. Like I said, I've been doing this for such a long time. I only went into the wigs in 2013 and had never really worn wigs before, so I took all these out at that time and start wearing wigs. So it doesn't mean that I won't wear wigs. I will still try to do wig reviews. If I can fit a wig over this just to show you what it looks like, to show you what the wigs look like, I will do that. So I have not given up on wig reviews. But this helps my hair, it helps to stretch it, it helps it to grow. I don't know why, but it does. So you will be seeing this, and I'm still doing wig reviews. And I'll show you guys my braid work. See? That's cornrows. I'm not really good at that. I'm good at box braids. Okay, I'm good at box braids. And I would show you guys the back, but it probably look funky, so I'll show you the back. You probably say, she ain't that damn good. But anyway. Okay, because I had my back to the camera, I didn't know if you guys could even see that. But yeah, it takes me 2 days, and I'm still working on it, just trying to decorate it and make sure that it frames my forehead the way that I want. Because some of this is not all hair, some of this is eyeliner. So yeah, it pays to have some baby hairs in front or some kind of hair in front sometimes. It pays to do that so that it doesn't look so harsh. This is to all the people that wear braids, and you know what I'm talking about. So I have approximately probably about 100 braids in my hair. I used to have up to 150, almost 200 years ago. But I didn't want to look like Cousin It, so I decided to make sure I didn't do that. Okay, I'll be right back to show you guys the braids, the hair that I use. Okay, you guys, this is the hair that I use. You see it's very long. It is about 84 inches long, stretched out. I have been using this hair for 20 years, off and on. Okay, when my beauty supply ran out of this hair, I almost lost my mind because it is hard to find it. But anyway, it was 99 cents and I had to use 7 packs. I've never used less. 7 packs to get this length. Okay, and that depends on just how many braids I intend to put in. But anyway, that's it for this. I would show you guys the beads that I use, but that's for another day. If you want to see that, I will do a video on beads. I put them in. I don't have any in today. I just put these little goldy things in there because I thought that would look cool. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions about braids. To answer the question now, I don't do other people's hair because it's a trust issue when it comes to being paid. It's a trust issue when it comes to bringing someone to my home or going to their house. I've always been like that about it, so maybe it's money I'm missing out on. I don't know. I'm not even sure I could even bend over somebody for hours and hours and hours standing up doing braids, and I'm not a licensed braider, but I do my hair and I put up with myself. So anyway, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, with all over YouTube if you can, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you like braids. Okay, nice talking to you guys. See you next time.